What's up, guys? It's your boy Legend and Chris. We got introduce yourself to the cam.
No.
We'll blur him out.
So Beast here, you know what I'm saying? And we got
the bitch asshole.
Johnny right here.
Johnny, look where we're at.
That's right. We're at the grand opening.
Hot chicken.
Wine hot chicken. Go check it out. That shit's fire. Line's not too bad.
Yeah.
Gotta eat good.
We waited what, like 30, 45 minutes?
Not too bad. We were like back there. But yeah, that shit's packed.
But now we're at the grand opening for the restaurant.
Got the store. See, before it used to be like a little side thing on the street.
Hey, we got David Dobrik though. David Dobrik.
We got David Dobrik.
Hey, yo, his long lost brother, bro.
Hey, David Dobrik, let's collab.
Comment down below.
Hey, we brothers.
Twin.
We saw you at the Star Wars premiere, bro.
Hey, put that clip in, you know.
Yeah, put that clip.
Hey, yeah, I'll put it in right here. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Hey, I'm your twin. I kind of look like you, right?
We got it.
I'm gonna put a big ass.
Bruh.
Bro, they do DoorDash now.
Nah.
Shut up.
That is tight.
Guys, you got the ball right here. We're about to go right on our asses.
Yeah. It's going right. You got a chub?
See this? That's chicken.
Yeah, we got a Hawaiian plate, tender plate, small plate, luau fries, hype.
It's packed as fuck. Get in here. Look at all that. Who wants to sit there? It's like a mosh pit.
You want to sit there?
I'm good. We can go to the cars, bro. We got Kev in the bag. We want to see the boy George. We got to get all of them over there.
Hey, look at this dude! Hey!
We're vlogging. Yeah. Hey, we're going to put it on YouTube. Oh,
Yeah, dude.
That's good, bro. Hell yes! Hey! George!
Oh, official merch.
The merch. Hey, we're going to collab. Hey, yo. Shop rack, X wine hot chicken.
Yeah, dude. Let's go write our name on the wall.
Yo, we're going to put our hat right there. Right, yours. Hey, yo, shop rack. Right here, link down below.
If you guys are gonna come here, pretty much it's not that bad. Like if you have money to spare, you can fucking buy this shit.
It's affordable prices, you know.
Affordable price. I mean, the other places they have different prices. Like the first one we went, I mean, it was worth it. Yeah, it's worth it.
Some damage.
Yeah, but
It's good and affordable.
yes, sir.
Keep that in mind.
Where are you putting it?
How big? Pretty big. Hey, put his number.
Not again.
Put Lucy's number?
Dude, I'm actually so down.
Legend of Chris. Alright guys, subscribe to him. Subscribe and,
My ad right there.
and his Instagram. That's like the dumbest name ever.
It's me, Insta, bro.
Alright, I just gotta do his right now. Where you gonna put it? Yup, that's right. Your sign. Fire. Hey, I'm gonna put REKT CREW on that. Alright.
Put it down there. Write it on the trash.
You got it?
Right, what after coleslaw?
Yeah, where's the coleslaw?
What up, bitch? What up, bitch?
Right there, my guy. Look, right there.
You so bitch
Bro,
though.
I get everything.
You so bitch though.
Just go ahead and spam Chubb down below in the comment section.
I did.
Oh, we got Isaac's plate.
Yeah.
One extra.
Extra, what are you talking about?
Fire.
Yeah, see, he gets vegetables.
I'm healthy though.
Yeah, healthy lifestyle. What's up, guys? See that plate? I got the medium. Shit looking fire, as usual.
All right, so
Where's Sammy?
what you get?
You already know the Hawaiian plate.
All right, now give me a fry.
Oh shit, why?
You stole a fry from me. So,
Here, I got him.
Yeah, he stole. I'll steal one too for you.
Hey, what the fuck?
wow,
Fry for me too, boy.
Here you go. Turkey. I'll be
Not
the
too
good
bad
guy.
right now.
appreciate it.
Got music playing and everything.
Where's Sammy?
Sammy want to get a drink. All right, let's go to someone's car
Yeah, let's go.
because it's too crowded inside.
Unfortunately, we got no seating there. About to make our own.
Since they were in a parking lot, actually a car wash.
They were in the car wash. We went day one. It all happened. I saw it on an IG like ad. Hawaiian hot chicken. I was
Oh
like,
shit!
what?
I forgot my water. Hold up.
Day one. They opened like a year ago. What was it, like
It was like in November, I think.
November 2018?
Yeah.
Damn. Now look at that. We've come so far. Got their own little store.
Proud of them.
GG. Shout out to you guys for making that come up, man.
Oh.
There it is.
Look at all that shit.
Beast is bite.
Big ass piece of chicken, bro. Look at that.
Big dough.
Alright, mine's gonna get sloppy right here. But god damn, you see that cheese in there? Bomb.
Swallow away, baby.
Woo!
I will. Look at this.
Alright, ready?
All right, cheers. Boom.
Alright,
You
Oh,
dumb
damn.
bitch.
You should never disappoint.
Secure the bag.
Yeah, we did. It's just good all the time.
All right. Now I want to enjoy mine.
Yeah.
Oof.
So, Johnny Puta, how do you like it?
Fire, dude.
Fire? What it do, baby?
About to kill this box.
About to
bro.
kill this box?
I'm gonna lick this shit clean. It's so
Oh,
good.
woo. Man,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, Vulcan.
Yup.
Yes, sir.
Yummy.
All right, Mr. Isaac, how do you feel? How was that? Excellent.
REKT out of 10.
REKT out of 10. Damn. He's going. I'm gonna edit this on the fucking screen.
Yeah, you see fire right here, bro. Just like that.
Fire right there. There you go. So you're gonna put Dave's Hot Chicken,
That's hot chicken.
Bangin' Buns, and then Angry Chicks. That's what they call it now. We're gonna be doing a lot of vlogging this year, hopefully, guys. You know, maybe a giveaway. You already know.
You know what?
What are we gonna do? What are we
Whoa.
This video, we're gonna do another giveaway, alright? Comment down below. We're gonna give away $5 Amazon gift card, alright? Comment down below. I'm gonna choose one lucky winner. And maybe they'll get some REKT merch too while they're. You're welcome.
ShopREKT.com. Look at that.
ShopREKT.com.
Cop the merch right here.
Link down below.
Link down below. ShopREKT.com.
This is that drip.
That is the drip, right?
Designer only. That's it.
Yeah, all right. So we're gonna do the Hawaiian hot chicken final review. All right.
Bro, this guy.
Who farted? Alu farted? My guy.
Where's your spot?
Yeah. They always say what's up to us. You know.
What's up? Been here since day one. So if you have any problems, they hook it up.
Yeah, they always hook us up.
Shout out to Kev. You already know.
Yes, sir.
What's up, Ken? Congratulations to you guys, by the way.
The real one.
George.
Yeah.
MVP. George, Kev. Who else we missing? Miko. Shout out Miko.
Just the whole Hawaiian crew.
Mark.
I feel like they need more like food options. But they don't have sandwiches.
See your menus.
I mean, honestly, dude, I honestly don't think they need it. I mean, look at In-N-Out. They haven't changed their menu since
They were keeping it simple.
simple. I mean,
But overall, Hawaiian hot chicken.
good place. Nine out of 10. 9 out of 10. Dead ass. 9 out of 10.
9.5.
Give it a 9.5.
It's a good place to check out. If you like chicken, if you like spicy chicken, you gotta check this place out. It's
Especially in the
really good.
valley.
Best in the valley. I'll
Yeah.
say that. Best in the valley. Hands down.
So what's next?
That's it.
What's next?
Dave's Hot
I
Chicken.
guess.
Alright.
Yeah, Dave's Hot Chicken's
Dave's
next.
Hot
We're
Chicken.
coming to you.
You next up.
Yeah.
And next time we'll bring Lowe's so you can meet him.
Oh yeah, you guys gotta meet.
You gotta meet Lowe's and
Yo,
Tater.
Lois.
Mr. Nuts.
Hey, he's the meme in the group.
And Paulier.
gotta-
Paulier as well.
Yeah.
You gotta wear the shirt. The Lowe's shirt.
Oh, you
Oh,
got it.
yeah, I gotta
You got
wear it. I'm down.
Shout out to Sammy.
Hey, yo, shout out Sammy.
Alright guys, tune in next
wanna
time. We're gonna
get
drop
off
some
at
more
Lassen?
bangers. Gonna go to Disneyland, go on our trips. Check out more spots. Just comment down below what you guys want to see.
Wait,
We
does
got
it
it.
stop there?
Yeah.
Alright, REKT CREW. Alright, fuck with that. Hurry up!
Oh shit, my brother's under.
Oh shit!